Before we stuff Pigletta, I think it might be a good idea if I just go through some of the different stuffing options. Now, I really like to give my stuffies, my zinkies, a little bit of weighting material at the bottom. It gives them a little bit of presence, a little bit of, I don't know, I can feel that there, and it makes them easier to stand. So in my classes, I used to always use rice, but unfortunately those little weevils, which we used to call elephant bugs when we were little, seem to somehow always find the rice. I don't know how they do it, but they do it. So now I use these stuffing beads. They're plastic. I would prefer something a little bit more organic, but they do a pretty good job. Now, when you're using these stuffing beads, a funnel always helps. And for me, I always need to use a bowl underneath because I invariably spill my beads everywhere. Now, if you're looking for stuffing, this polyester fiber fill is really economical. It's really good. And what I really like about, and what kids really like about it is, it's nice and squishy. It comes in these big lumps like this, which you just pull little bits off to stuff, or it sometimes comes in these little cloudy bits. I actually prefer this one, but this works great. It's a matter of preference. And now this one's really lovely. It's actually wool roving. It's really lovely to feel, but when you stuff your stuffy with it, it just doesn't have that springy feel, which isn't a problem. It's just the different what you're looking for in your stuffies or zinkies or softies. Now, some people just like to fill their softies with felt scraps, material scraps, whatever you have on hand works. They all have a different feeling, but they all work fine. And now Pigletta is waiting to be stuffed.